Was the hope drunk wherein you dressed yourself? Hath it slept since? And wakes it now to look so green and pale at what it did so freely? Well, from this time such I account thy love. Art thou afeard to be the same in thine own act and valor as thou art in desire? Wouldst thou have that which thou esteem'st the ornaments of life, and love a coward in thine own esteem, letting I dare not wait upon I would like the poor cat in the adage? When you durst do it, then you were a man. And to be more than what you were, you would be so much more the man. Nor time, nor place did then adhere, and yet you would make them both. They have made themselves, and that their fitness now does unmake you. I have given suck, and know how tender 'tis to love the babe that milks me. And I would, while it was smiling in my face, have plucked my nipple from its boneless gums and dashed the brains out, had I so sworn to do as you have done to this. We fail. But screw your courage to the sticking place, and we'll not fail. When Duncan is asleep, whereto rather the day's hard journey will soundly invite him, his two chamberlains will I with wine and wassail so convince that memory, the warder of the brain, shall be a fume, and the receipts of reason a limbeck only. When in swinish sleep their drenched natures lies as in a death, what cannot you and I perform upon the unguarded Duncan? What not put upon his spongy officers, who shall bear the guilt of our great crown? Who dares receive it other? As you and I shall make our griefs and clamor roar upon his death.